Hi everyone, I am Rina Galvez and today is my birthday. It's October 11, 2025 and I decided to create this video to help my nephew. He is Ryle Jaden Benedicto. He is only 7 years old. A cute little boy who is fighting for his life too. He is suffering from SSPE Stage 4 at siya po ay kasalukuyang naka-admit sa University of Santo Tomas. Napunta sila sa ospital na ito sa kadahilanan na ang ibang ospital dito sa aming lugar ay hindi na po matanggap ang kondisyon ng bata. Noong September 13 ay nagkaroon po siya ng septic shock secondary to pneumonia severe. Hanggang ngayon ay siya po ay nasa ICU. At yung pong bill nila ay sobra na pong malaki. Kaya as a celebration for my birthday, I decided to raise this campaign at tinatawag ko po itong Piso Campaign for Ryle. Kapatid, ang pinagsama-samang piso na magmumula sa inyo can help this child to wake up and to get back sa kanyang normal na buhay. Kasama po ng panalangin na ginagawa ng aming kapatira. We do believe in miracle. And as long na nakikita ko yung dedication ng family to pray and to ask God for the extension of the life ng kanilang anak, He will do everything to help them. Reminder lang po mga kapatid, this video is only created by me. And don't fall into any scam. All giving will be sent directly to his father and the GCash number will be posted on the comment section. As Hebrews 13:16 said, and do not forget to do good and to share with others, for with such sacrifices, God is pleased. Maraming salamat po sa lahat and may God bless us all.